Were you and Angel intimate in this time or any time at all?
Me and Angel was not in any form of relationship. We did a run a relay.
No, man, I don't understand. I ask you, did you and Angel have a sexual relationship?
We said we did a run a relay. So when people see Angel sit down and see her, she go sit down and ask, no, you can't in the presence of my enemy at this.
Yeah.
When them ask Angel about Khago, she supposed to say when me put Bunty and Beenie together, Khago is the man.
Khago is finally speaking out. In a recent interview, he shut down rumors about D'Angelo, saying there was no relationship, just what he keeps calling a relay. He reacts to how interviews and social media twisted the narrative, saying once things hit the internet, people run with their own version of the story. He makes it clear he invested time and energy, but he refuses to be painted like a clown. And when it comes to Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, his respect must stay consistent. No name calling, just straight talk. Making his silence raw, direct, and unfiltered. What do you think he really meant by the relay? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Me always hear people say relationship. Me and Angel was not in any form of relationship. We did a run a relay. I give her the button a few times. You understand?
No, want to clear. No, want to clear.
Button clear.
No, man.
Listen to me.
No, man. No.
Girl love me, no. Listen.
No, we
did not in a relationship.
Yes, we understand that part.
We did a run a relay.
But we don't understand really.
I give her the button a few times.
No, man, I don't understand. I ask you, did you and Angel have a sexual relationship?
We said we did a run a relay, sir. I give her the button for car a few times.
Okay. The people who watch it, them will make what them want to make it. Because I don't understand personally.
Yeah,
I don't understand.
We
So.
give her the button for car a few times. We was running a relay.
So you did a track and field?
Me did that. Me is a 100-meter sprinter, fast.
Okay.
He's not a marathon runner.
Well, probably because you did more than music. Probably that's why the relationship, the business-ship or the situationship got so complex, and probably that's why that it piss you off because no, it can piss you off because of morals, you know, But no, if somebody who I'm passing the baton to a few times do something versus somebody who I'm not passing the baton to, I'm going to feel a bit different because I feel I have some form of authority over the one who me pass the baton to. So probably that kind of get the thing kind of look toxic a certain way. I don't know. I don't know.
Listen to this. When them interview Angel, remember millions make Angel make still the blood. Remember, you know, everything for me depend on social media. Every artist come here, them come in and me depend on social media, them work, then them gone. You know, have no relationship out with the car there. Social media. But for me, an Angel thing kind of different because
clearly
me have invest the time. Yeah, we invest time.
And your energy. Your time and your energy.
And my tactics.
Right.
My style and my pattern. You understand? So, when them interview Angel, don't make me look like me a no girl clown. You understand what I say? When them, remember say, you used to say, yo, Khago is like a godsend. So keep that same energy there.
Yeah.
Me no understand, remember me and Angel did not talk from after Sun Festival. I hold it like a J. All people are say, yo, Ray, and because me might come on internet and chat for internet, but me is not a man who love to talk.
Yeah, so
it's
they
just
on one side.
Yes, so just like how you see, me give Winford the two biggest interview last year with Angel them. And watch. They interview one bag of infield lead. And me call them and they don't answer.
Yeah, alright. Done alright.
Me call him and then don't answer blood. So Khago nothing have no side. People for see Angel sit down over there. Angel carry one bag of waste man them go there, you know. And that get me ignorant blood. Who is Winford now interview them in Philly there? You they wait for you. I she bring them because the big man have a phone. So if you notice the 10 of them who you said around me or the any amount of them, there is no way 10 human beings can be around a jail. And you are one fall out and the 10 of them come around Khago. Yeah. Something not right.
Something not right.
Your car so wicked. I'll Satan kick back one. I'll Satan. So when people see Angel sit down and see her, I saw evil people work. She go sit down and ask, no, you can't in the presence of my enemy at this. He man will give you the relay button if you run with. You can't do that. How you fit do that? Me too nice to you, Jay.
Yeah.
When them ask Angel about Khago, she supposed to say when me put Bunty and Beenie together, Khago is the man. Me too nice for her. Me too nice, dog. Me there, me forgot the dog. The people that even want me so nice. Me too nice, dog. So me chip. You look me chip. No.
Yeah, look
at it. No crutch this thing, dog.
Look a bit. Fuck say your respect Beenie. I want me to ask you earlier. You respect Beenie. You could just load the man woman or the man ex-woman.
How that work? A music we I do.
But then you pass button.
Then that's how music work. Listen to me. Angel tell me say fear phone full up of Joshy hood, you know.
Huh?
He say every day Josh stiff up in khaki and take pictures, send him. Angel chat people nothing of that. I tell you that, you know. So me don't know where you come and tell me. Man, leave me alone here, man. Yo, listen to me, listen to me. And she tell me. So Joshy allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yes. But that she said. Bro, you don't understand how wicked that woman. Angel hate Kiprich woman like a poison.
Which one?
Kizzy. Angel hate a girl like a poison. I see her now. A campaign for Kizzy. Some blood please sit with that girl that say about Kizzy. My man me ask her in a blood.
Yeah, she not tell you.
You the wickedest human being that you know.
Alright, so she just get up and say something? Yeah?
Bro, she said she can't Kizzy go to Canada and Kizzy fucking whatsoever promoter. So me I said then Angel that your man, she not fuck who she want fuck. But she Kizzy prettier than her.
Okay.
Angel just no like nobody. Angel, alright, one little girl come here. America do a song with her and you know the song bad on the internet, love the song. Angel for just start. Angel can go outside you and me and your people want to see, you know. That's how she stayed there. She just she understands that Jamaicans love hypocrites. And the Bible says hypocrites will never see my face blood.
Yeah.
So me don't know how to play no hypocrite with you. When me see her at campaign, me link Kiprich and not take nothing from her. Yeah. Please don't, because bro, the reason I would stop all the thing. And because of Kizzy and Kiprich make me just ease off of them. Because she not like remember Kizzy and Kiprich there, you know. So for them thing can spruce up with the public. Me can't, bro, listen to me. Me rather people call me Batty man. Me rather they say me a bowcat. You can recover from them that sitting there, you know. But girl clown, Lord Jesus Christ, why? Why? Girl clown for Angel.